morning. Please, this will be a short hearing, and Mr. Lee, would you like to lead off?
Thank you, Commissioner. This morning I seek to tender a number of documents in two different categories. The first category comprises those documents which are either documents attached to the witness statements of those witnesses who were examined by the Commission in May, or are documents that were shown to witnesses in the course of their examination but were not tendered at the time of that examination. The second category comprises those documents which it is presently anticipated will be referred to in the interim report that the Commission is required by its terms of reference to submit to the Governor by 30 June 2021 and are not already contained in the first set of documents. The solicitors assisting the Commission have prepared lists setting out each of the individual documents in those two categories. The list which sets out the documents in the first category has been uploaded to the Commission's document management system as PCRC.000.001.001. The list which sets out the documents in the second category has been uploaded as PCRC.003.001.006, and I hand up a copy of each of those lists for the Commission. Prior to this morning's hearing, copies of those lists of documents, other than those documents which are publicly available documents, have been provided to the interested parties for comment, and I understand that no interested party objects to the tender of any of those documents in either the first or the second categories. I now seek to tender each of the lists and request that the Commission order that each of the documents in the lists be received into evidence.
Thank you. That will be a convenient way of proceeding. And so the document PCRC.0003.0001.0001 and the document PCRC.0003.0001.0006 will be admitted into evidence as exhibits, and each of the documents mentioned in those lists will be admitted into evidence as exhibits. Thank you. Now then, I'd ask Commissioner Murphy to say a few words.
Thank you very much, Commissioner. During the course of our inquiries, it's been necessary to examine resourcing of the Gaming and Wagering Commission, or the GWC, and a number of issues concerning the financial relationship between the GWC and the Department. From June 2007 to May 2018, I was the Auditor General for Western Australia with responsibility for the external audit of both the GWC and the Department. I have considered in some detail whether there is any conflict arising from my earlier role that would impact the work of the Royal Commission, and am of the view that no conflict arises. Nevertheless, I would like to acknowledge this former role to confirm that I've given serious consideration to any potential conflict and confirm that my former role will not in any way inhibit our inquiries into the GWC and the Department. No witness or party should feel inhibited because of my former role from giving or adducing evidence or making submissions about relevant audits, even if the evidence or submissions are critical of the audits.
Thank you, Commissioner. Thank you, Commissioner Murphy. The process from here will be to move to move into what are the suitability aspects of the terms of reference in paragraphs 1 to 7 of the Commission, and to delve further into the regulatory framework aspects of the terms of reference, terms of paragraphs 8 to 11. We currently anticipate that we will resume on Friday the 16th of July for an opening statement or opening statements, and then from in the week commencing the 19th of July we will resume the hearing of evidence from witnesses. As soon as we are able, we will publish on the Commission's website a statement giving more details as to those proposals. But at the moment, I think that concludes all we want to do today, unless any party has something we wish to raise. No, thank you. We'll adjourn then to a date to be fixed, most likely the 16th of July.